I had another one that was great. It was a middle school kid who violated the acceptable use policy on the internet. You know, went somewhere he wasn't supposed to. And they do it all the time, don't they? It's always, what do the kids say? I did it on accident. That was on accident. I don't know what on accident means, but that's a kind of a, I did it on accident. And I says, well, whether it was done on accident or not, it's still violating the acceptable use policy. So therefore, you may not get on the internet. Your system has been shut down. And until you design a lesson for the first and second graders on the acceptable use policy, and we'll help you with that. You don't have to present it to them, but we'd like you to design a lesson on what the acceptable use policy is all about and why you should have it. It's important for you to teach younger kids about safety. And as soon as you present that to me, you can have your privileges back to use the internet. And about 2 or 3 days later, the kid produced a little poster, which was all we needed. And just him doing that action was enough to give him his internet privileges back. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.